Owners here of Salt Valley Chiropractic and Nutrition Clinic, and really excited to bring this detox program to you. We have a couple people who have participated in the program that wanted to say some things and give their testimonials, which is awesome because that's really the best, is someone that's been through it. So I'm going to see if I can. Turn it on.
You got the wrong remote?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think I have the right.
There it is.
Okay, let's see if it'll go. Yeah, okay. So Shape Reclaim is the name of the supplement and the program that we're using. It's out of St. Louis. We used to live there, and we got a phone call probably 6 or 8 months ago from a doctor friend there that he interned with, and said, hey, you really need to check this out. You know, his wife was heavier and had done the program and lost what, about 90 pounds at that point?
It was last September, so it was almost a year ago, and she started in April, and she was down, I think, 80 pounds at that time.
And just really life-changing for them, and so he started doing it with his patients, and his patients were loving it so much. He called us and said, you guys need to check this out. So I'm very skeptical of anything, and I thought, I don't want to be doing a weight loss plan. That's not what we do here. We're about making people healthy, making people well, and weight loss is great, but that's not what we do here. So my husband and I decided to experiment on ourselves first. So, so we did that. Here's a quote I like from Hippocrates. The wise man should consider that health is the greatest of human blessings. Let food be your medicine. And that's a quote that we live by here at the clinic. We treat using whole food supplements, and that's one thing I really like about this program is it's not anything crazy. You're eating good whole food, and it really does fuel your body and heal your body. So this is a picture of our family. This was just this last Christmas, so about 6, 8 months ago. So you can see my husband here was a little bit bigger. He lost what, 80 pounds?
Yeah.
80 pounds.
13 weeks.
In 13 weeks.
Which is not typical.
Not anything that anyone should really try to compete with. It was awesome. But I wanted to lose 15, 20 pounds, and I thought, I wanted to be supportive and do it with them and try it out before I recommended it to anybody.
And all of our kids, well, except the little one.
The little one hasn't done it. He's kind of
done it as a
run.
detox and have had good results for it.
Yeah. So perfectly safe and wonderful for kids. I mean, our kids actually they did really, really well with it.
The one in the orange was just talking yesterday, explaining to the one in the red how high fructose corn syrup is bad for him because the program taught him how to read a label.
Yeah, it was really cute. Okay, so their motto is restoring your health and revitalizing your life. It is #1 for detoxification, and #2 can be a very efficient weight loss program if that's something that you want to do. Otherwise, I've had people go through the program that seem like they're in really great physical shape, but they just need a really good detox, and they have loved the program as well and done really well with it. So, are you ready to change your life? It's for detox. You can lose excess weight. It helps decrease inflammation. It increases immune function. It helps you heal and reset the metabolism, which is different from a lot of other plans. Implements a sound foundation for your future healthy lifestyle. And that's one thing I love about it is I feel like it helps you make lifelong changes between resetting the metabolism, where people feel like, for instance, with myself, I felt like after having a couple kids and I just had that extra 10, 15 pounds, and even when I exercised and ate healthy, I thought, am I just getting older? My metabolism's slowing down? And between that and then really teaching you how to eat healthy for the rest of your life, it's really a wonderful program. So what is inflammation? Any of these things can be caused from inflammation. Arthritis, asthma, COPD, emphysema, chronic infections, injuries or surgeries, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, food allergies, celiac, autoimmune disease such as lupus, Alzheimer's, neuropathy, MS, eczema, psoriasis, gingivitis, ulcerative colitis, fibromyalgia, and obesity. So come on in. You can grab a folder there if you like, right there, and come find a seat, get some snacks. So, I know it's a long list, but inflammation can be responsible for a lot of different things, so you probably have experienced some of those yourself. So, see if this is familiar to anyone. This is 1985. This is the obesity index here. So if you look there, the darker blue states are where people were 10 to 14% of the population was obese. And really, you know, the country looks a lot healthier than it does here 10 years later, 1995. Looks like about half of the United States, 15 to 19% of the population is obese. And then here's 2010, no blue left on the map. We have those southern states there, probably, you know, a fourth of the country looks like it's over 30% overweight. So it's definitely a problem.